I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Qualihome drywall screws. So these are fairly coarse drywall screws. They're 2 inches long. You can see here it's got a Phillips head base. And I like these because they are super sturdy, really easy to drive into wood or plasterboard or anything that you're going to be encountering in your home. Really good versatile construction screw, and I like that it has that standard Phillips head base. I think a lot of the screws I see now have more complex designs there where you're having to get a special bit, and I like that you still get plenty of torque with this basic Phillips head, but it's just a little bit more versatile and easy to use with the existing drivers you probably already have. These are designed for drywall, but I find they also work well on wood, going through real wood, and they're a phosphate coated screw, so it will probably resist corrosion and rust fairly well. And also it's easy to drive that again into multiple materials. These are sharp pointed, so they are for going into, again, wood or drywall. It's not like a machine screw. And they are 2 inches long, so you've got quite a bit of depth here, quite a bit of holding power. I use these for a lot of random kind of construction projects, hanging things around the house. I'm going to use it to mount the bracket for my Dyson vacuum cleaner, and I'm just going to show here how I can drive this and help to secure part of my workbench to the wall. All right, so I started to put one of these into my workbench. I want to make this sort of semi-permanent by attaching it into the drywall back here. So I've got that here, I've got it into a stud, and then I'm just going to use my driver. You can see it mounts in there really nicely, and I can get a nice tight fit into the wall, secure the back of that workbench. So these aren't sold by quantity, they're sold by weight. It's 1 pound of screws, which is an interesting way to do it. But I'd say, you know, there's probably at least maybe 50 to 100 screws in here. You get quite a few in this 1 pound box. Really good, just versatile construction screw for your basic projects around the house where you don't want to have to bother with a special bit.